Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 problem with wireless adapter or access point. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that going to your settings of your Windows. Sorry, go to your control panel, click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings, select a Wi-Fi adapter, right click and click on disable. After a few seconds that once again enable it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. After doing this, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset. After doing this, type a command is ipconfig space slash release and press enter. After doing this, type a command is ipconfig space slash renew. After doing this, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS and press enter. After doing this, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager, open a device manager. After doing this select a network adapter and select a wireless USB or the Wi-Fi adapter. In my case is a USB wireless LAN card. So right click on update driver, click on search automatically from driver, close it. If your problem is still, then you can go to your once again go to your update driver, click on browse my computer from driver, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select the driver, click on next button. After that, click on close button. I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can select our adapter and click on uninstall device. And after doing this, start once again install network adapter or driver. So after doing this stat, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this stat, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.